Today is making a new cocktail for the Blue Osa. This cocktail is Hibiscus tonic. It is very simple. You need to use the hibiscus. It's 3 ounces for the hibiscus. Later, you put the little syrup, the sugar, 1 ounce. And the rum, put 2 ounces. If you like a little more strong, you put 2 ounces and 3 ounces. And 1 ounce, use the lime. It's very important with the hibiscus tonic for the middle. If you put it full, if the problem is not possible, put the soda. For decoration, is put the hibiscus flower. You take it the gardening. And finish, this is cocktail for the Blue Osa, hibiscus tonic.